It's a really good waffle. So this is a waffle with the famous, typical Norwegian brown cheese. The locals have said for centuries that the brown cheese is made with a little help from some cute goats and cows. Come, Shira, come. Okay, so back in the day, when Norway was poor, people wanted to make the most out of the resources they had available, even the leftover whey from regular cheese production. So the brown cheese is made from milk, whey, and cream. And it's very special because it has a very I'm just gonna taste a bit more of the brown cheese because it has a very specific taste, a caramel topping, more sweet in a way. It's very Norwegian. You also get this everywhere.